This is a quick video to show you how to add an adjustment clip in Final Cut Pro 11.1. You need 11.1 or later, although 11.1 is what is out right now, in order to do this. So let me show you how to do it. There's actually two ways to do it. The first way is doing Option A, placing the playback head where you want the adjustment clip to start, and do Option A, and then you can see it adds the adjustment clip right there. And now you can make this longer, you can make it shorter, you can do whatever you want to it. That is one way to add it. The second way to add it is to place the playhead where you want it to come in, go up to Edit, and then come down to Add Adjustment Clip. Kaboom, there it is. Now, that's how you add it. So if that's all you're looking for, you can click off this video and have fun. If you want to know what an adjustment clip does, I'll be happy to show you a quick demonstration. An adjustment clip allows you to add effects to the clip without adding effects to the entire clip. So let's say there's this great moment here where Santa Claus, or this Santa Claus singer, sort of looks right at us. So I'm going to move the adjustment clip there, and I want it, when he looks right at us, I want it to become black and white. So let me search for a black and white filter here. There it is. Now I'm going to add this filter to the adjustment clip, and that will turn everything underneath the adjustment clip black and white. So we can see here it's playing along in color. It goes to black and white once it hits the clip, and then it goes back to color. And we can make this longer or shorter or however we want to do it. We could even split it or do other things. And the cool thing about this is we can put other effects on it as well. So let's say we're going to put a flipped effect on it. And we'll make it a little bit shorter here. So it's in color. And then, oh, it flips and it goes into black and white when Santa Claus looks over. And then as it gets to the end of the adjustment clip, it goes back to normal. So that's what you can do with an adjustment clip. You can also move the adjustment clip over multiple clips. So this is pretty much the same clip here. But I can have this adjustment clip over both of these clips. And you can see it's playing in color. It gets reversed. It goes to the next clip. And then it reverses again, and it's a normal clip. So that's what an adjustment clip does. Pretty handy. I like that I won't have to add effects to the entire clip if I don't want to. There you go. I hope that helps you. I was looking for a video on this and I couldn't find it, so I'm hoping this helps somebody. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.